हाय, मेरा नाम है कृति और आज मैं आपको 5 इजी वेज बताऊंगी अबाउट हाउ टू स्पीक इंग्लिश फ्लुएंटली. But before moving forward, don't forget to subscribe to my channel sorted for you. So the first one is pay attention. Whenever you are with someone who is speaking English fluently, or maybe you are in a gathering where many people are speaking English fluently, you must always pay attention to the way they are talking. And you must also pay attention towards the vocabulary and the grammar that is being used while they are talking. अब इस पूरे सिनेरियो में हमें ध्यान इस बात का देना है कि लोग किस तरह बात कर रहे हैं. कोई भी वर्ड प्रोनाउंस करते वक्त उनका लिप मूवमेंट क्या है, वो किस तरह से उस शब्द को बोल रहे हैं और कहाँ पे क्या ग्रामर यूज कर रहे हैं और कौन से ऐसे वर्ड्स हैं जो उनकी बातों में आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहे हैं. Try to remember those words and look for the meaning of those words. Most of the times, it might be happening with you that whenever you are talking to a person who is very fluent in English and is using a very good vocabulary, you do try to understand what that person is saying without understanding the meaning of the word that is exactly being said. But you have that thing in your mind, oh my God, I don't know the meaning of this word. What does this person mean? So you look for a neutral answer and answer to that question. So whenever such an incident takes place with you, you must always look back to that word. What did that word mean? What if I come across it again? How will I answer in future? Observation is the key here. More you observe, more you learn. And listening itself is a very good exercise to improve your English. Once you listen and you concentrate, you remember what the other person was saying and try imitating the same so that you don't make a mistake again. The next way is refer and take notes. By refer here I mean refer to authentic material like newspaper, good books, movies, TV shows, etc. Try to develop a reading habit. If you don't want to read, then you can watch your favorite English movies or TV shows, one which interests you. Try reading the subtitles. If you'll read subtitles loud and also listen to what and how the actor is saying the same thing, that will help you a lot. And specifically, if you're reading or watching something which interests you, it would definitely leave an impression. Taking note is also very important. If you come across something which is new for you, like a new word or a new pronunciation of a word, make a note of it somewhere. While you're watching something, maybe your favorite movie or a TV show, and you come across something which is very new for you, you must always make a note of that. Because when you're watching something, things are moving fast. Even if you are pausing it, you'll definitely move on to something else. Maybe you'll not be able to recall it later. So make a note of it, so that later you can go and read the same. Third way is the basic, which is common for everything. That is practice. You must keep practicing. Because even if you are listening to new things, you are reading new things, but if you don't put it to use and don't practice and don't keep using it, you'll forget it. Try practicing with a person who is fluent in English. This will help you in a manner like whenever you will make a mistake, that person will correct you. And when you are corrected, there and then you'll definitely remember what wrong you did and how you have to improve it. By being part of a group discussion where there are various people talking about various things and how you'll reply to each and every person and how you'll put forward your opinion into it. That would be a very good exercise. आपको हर रोज अपना एक टाइम अलग से निकालना है इंग्लिश को प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए, so that you improve on daily basis. The fourth way is self-correction. By self-correction here I mean you must keep correcting yourself. You should not delay this process. If you're talking to someone or you're reading or you're doing some kind of conversation or practicing and you make a mistake, then don't delay that mistake. Whenever you get time, just after that, just look for it. Don't think like, oh, I'll look for it later, and then you'll forget what mistake you made. Make it a point to keep correcting yourself. Don't be afraid of making mistakes And it is very common. It happens a lot that we know that when we are speaking some other language which is not our mother tongue, where we are making mistake. We do surpass that mistake at that time, but we should not ignore it. We should work on it. Last one is reflect on your progress. Set goals and target for yourself. Always remember that whenever you start practicing English, you monitor your improvements. What new you have learned? Where have you improved? What mistakes you are not making now? It's very important to monitor our growth whenever we are learning something new. हम छोटे छोटे से टास्क बना सकते हैं अपने लिए कि इतने टाइम में मैं अपने टेंसेस पे वर्क करूँगा, इतने टाइम में मैं अपने प्रोनाउंसिएशन पे वर्क करूँगी. I'll try and improve my vocabulary in this time. I'll learn new words for this month. इस तरह के छोटे छोटे टारगेट्स हम रख सकते हैं जिसको हम मॉनिटर कर सकते हैं कि हम प्रॉपर्ली उसे अचीव कर पा रहे हैं या नहीं. और जब भी हम प्रैक्टिस करें अपने आप को रिकॉर्ड ज़रूर करें. रिकॉर्ड करने से ये क्लियर हो जाएगा कि हमारी फ्लुएंसी कैसी है. हम लगातार बोलते हैं तो हम क्या गलती करते हैं और क्या सुधार हमने कर लिया है. So these were very easy 5 ways by practicing which you can speak fluent English. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and comment. Subscribe to my channel sorted for you.